What are the types of meditation? Take a GERI-Minute to run through them. There's mindfulness meditation, which involves paying attention in the present moment on purpose and without judgment. There can also be types of spiritual meditation, like transcendental meditation, which involves paying attention to breathing, as well as letting go of your daily cares to think more about your place in the larger universe. Qigong meditation, which involves breathing as well as visualization and sometimes the use of other sounds, as well as thinking about things like the movement of the qi energy throughout the body. It usually involves sort of making a mind and body connection. Devotional meditation, which is often linked to a particular faith tradition. Centering prayer, which again is a prayer and it's often linked to a certain faith tradition, but it involves using meditation techniques and focusing on a specific intention. There's probably a type of meditation that you could connect with, and there's some evidence that they can do some good in reducing stress. If you want more information about tools that you can use to age well, go to my website, thewrinkle.ca. Thanks for watching.